everybody. So it is Wednesday, March 25th, which officially kicks off our online learning. So I just wanted to take a couple of minutes to explain to you and to show you on my screen what you're going to be doing today for math. So if you're seeing this message, then hopefully that means you've already logged into ClassLink and you've clicked on Canvas and you've gone into your math course. So here's my ClassLink. So when I go to Canvas, should automatically log me in because I've logged into ClassLink. If this message pops up to you, just click on Dashboard. When you click on Dashboard, you can see all your courses. Yours look a little bit different than mine, but here's the math course. So when you click on that, I went ahead and put in there our online math schedule for this week. I also emailed it out to your parents, so hopefully you've already seen this and it's nothing new for you. So here's Wednesday. This is today. So let's see what we've got on hand for today. It says watch the place value review mini lesson video. That's here in Canvas under modules. So we're going to be clicking on modules and going to the remote learning section. After you watch that, then you're going to do the exit ticket. That's in Canvas, just kind of like how we would do when we were in school, in class. I'd do a mini lesson and then I'd give you a little exit ticket to see how well you understood it. After you watch the video and do the exit ticket in Canvas, then go do your assigned lessons in Dreambox or iReady. And then there is a special note here I highlighted in yellow. I will have a Zoom available from 10 to 10:30. Use this meeting ID right here, 782-038-488. You don't have to, it's not required or mandatory, but that's part of my like help desk hours. So that way if you have a question or just want to pop in and say hi really quickly, you can join with this code, this meeting ID number, anytime from 10 to 10:30, and I will be on here and available for any questions. You could also email me as well. I know I showed you over here in Canvas how you can click on this inbox and it will, you can type my name in and email me things and I will get back to you. So let's go back up here. So what you're going to do is watch this little mini lesson video. So it says you have to go to modules. So if you go back up here, now you all don't have as many. Let me go to student view because you don't have as many options as I do. So this is what it looks like to you when you click on your math course. Okay. So over here, see, you don't have as many options as I do. You just click on modules. And I moved the remote learning section all the way to the top so you can access it very easily. And right here it says place value review mini lesson video. So you click on that and it should open it right up.
All right, everyone. Here is our little...
So I'm going to pause that. So you will watch that, and then after that, you should be able to do the exit ticket. So after you've watched the video, and you might be thinking, okay, well, where's the exit ticket? How do I get to that? So just go back to where it says home, to go back to that home page in your math course. And if you just scroll all the way down, just like we do in class whenever you had to submit your answers in Canvas, just scroll all the way down and here are different assignments that we've already done earlier in the year. So if you go right here, it says it right here, place value review exit ticket. So you click on that and it should open it right up. Take the quiz. There's the questions. If you do have oral accommodations in your education plan, you can push play. I've recorded myself reading that out to you. You should know if that pertains to you or not. Most of you don't need to have it read to you, but that is there if you need it. And then you will just solve on scratch paper or whatever you have available at your house and submit your answers. Now remember, nothing's going to go in the actual grade book, but I do still want you to submit because I'm going to be looking at it on my screen and I want to just make sure that you're doing okay and that you are understanding and you remember place value and things. If I see you're struggling or you didn't do so well, I might email you and just say, okay, do you understand now, or how can I help you? And so when you log into Canvas, make sure you're looking over here and seeing if you have any numbers that pop up in your inbox, because that means that I probably emailed you. Okay, so if I go back to home, let me leave student view. Okay, so go back to home and the learning plan. So you will watch that video, mini lesson video on place value, do the exit ticket, and then do Dreambox or iReady. And if you would like to join the Zoom meeting that I'm going to have later at 10 to 10:30, then you can. And I would love to see you there. All right, so I think that's it. And as always, if you have any questions, feel free to email me. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Or if you want to do this Zoom with me later and ask me your questions, you can do that as well. Thank you. Have a good day.